In this video, we are going to show you how to do a pinza with upper body isolations. Let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust.
Okay guys, so to do the pinza or pinch in English and then do the body isolations, we start first in the closed position. Let's go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, we make sure to breathe and go up and diagonally. And now in 8, make sure to, you cannot tap here, so you bring your leg a little bit to her side to have here the leg next to her leg and block her lower body. That way she knows that she cannot do a basic anymore, and also that probably body isolations are coming. So we are here 7, 8, and from here we have our whole energy up and diagonally, so we only release the energy by going down and diagonally down. So we are down, and from here we continue the energy by doing a circle with her upper body. In 2, 3, tap, we stop, and then we go in the opposite direction in 5, 6. And now that we have our weight here, we only change the weight a little bit with kind of like a slide in 7, 8. So let's do it a little bit more fluently. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 3, tap. So now from this point of view, we are in the closed position, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. A couple of tips, guys. Make sure to have your frame correctly. Make sure to have your elbows in the correct place, not to have them up and not to have them down. We need to have them like this. And the circular motion is created by bringing diagonally down and then opening the circle. You close here and then you open again until you're here, and from here you do this kind of slide with a little bit of a side wave or reverse side wave with the upper body in 7, 8.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and watch our other videos. They will help you to improve your dance as well. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!